is for a few removal of brackets and factorisation. To remove the singular bracket, I need to times everything in that bracket by that outside, which is 3. 3 times the n is 3n, minus sign, so minus sign, and 3 times the 4 is 12. Question finished. A bit more complicated when I've got 2 brackets. There are several ways to do this. I tend to adopt the eyebrows, mouth and chin approach. K times the k, so k squared. 4 times the 8, 32. And it's positive 32 because of plus sign and plus sign. So they're classed as the eyebrows. 4 times the k is 4k. And k times the 8 is 8k. Mouth and chin. That tidies up slightly. So we've got k squared. 4 plus the 8, we've got 12k. And 32 on the end. Question done. The third case is factorising. Now we've got the 2 terms here. It's very much doing the reverse process of that first question. Looking for the highest factor, because I can see 2 goes into both numbers, but it's not the highest. I can see though that 4 goes into both numbers. Now 4 will go into 20 5 times. However, that number had the letter M attached. Plus sign, so I'll put a plus sign. And 4 goes into 16 4 times. Question factorised. With these 2, because I've got something squared plus a quantity of that letter plus a number, same sort of procedure as here, I'm doing the reverse of that back to the brackets. So when you have a setup like that, similarly with the next one, it's going to be 2 brackets. Q squared is Q times Q. Now 24 can be written as 1 times 24, so it could be 1 and 24. It can be written as 2 times 12, 2 in there, 12 in there. It can be written as 3 times 8, or it can be written as 4 times 6. However, the only one that's going to get me the 2q in the middle is that one there. If I put 4 and 6 in there, 6 q's, so plus sign, take 4 q's, will get me the 2q as we asked for. So factorised. Repeat again with this one. V squared, so V in there, V in there. Now 10, there's not as many options with 10. It can be 1 times 10, it can be 2 times 5. However, I want to get 3V from whichever 2 I pick. I can see that I can get 3V if I use those 2. So 2 times 5. If I make that a plus 5V, and if I take 2V, I'll get the 3V factorised.